I really love the Hamilton Beach FlexBrew, but I've come to realize that it has one big problem, and that is the needle gets clogged quite easily. So what you do is after each cup you make, each single cup, you take off this top part and you check the needle to see if there's still a hole in there. I just clean it after every single use. If it is clogged, you can just use a toothpick to loosen up the grounds in there and just give it a good rinse. And also the bottom cup has a needle in it and it should also be clear. And if it's not, you can just use a toothpick again and just clear out all the jammed grounds that are in there. So the clogging up of the top needle appears to happen pretty frequently, and it can even happen mid-brew of your first cup. And if that happens, just check on the side to see if you have any water left, and then just disassemble the top needle, clean it out, put it back together, and just press the start button again. It definitely is a bit of extra work to keep these parts clean after each brew, but when you get the hang of it, it's really not that much, and you still get a good cup of coffee.
Just like this.